Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm making tater tot hot dish for Sunday Mixin with Nixixin. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cook these vegetables here, and I'll get that set up over here. We're going to brown our hamburger, which is thawing out right now, and we'll brown that up and we'll keep going. So to get the vegetables started, we're going to boil a little bit of water in there, just probably 1/4 of an inch, and we're going to get it to a boil. You're going to dump all your vegetables in, which is going to cool everything down. Just going to cool everything down, and we're going to just keep that on until that starts boiling again. And while that's doing that, we're going to brown our hamburger. Always wash your hands. Then we're going to brown all this hamburger up. When your vegetables start boiling again, you put it on low. We're going to put a lid on. We're going to cook that for about 7 minutes. So while we're doing that, we're still going to brown this hamburger. Now that the hamburger is starting to brown and everything, we'll season it up a little bit. Oops. It's never one of my videos unless I make a mess. Now that we've got that going on here, we got our minced onion. And we got our seasoned salt. And a little salt, a little pepper. You gotta do it like everybody else. Put it in your hand and go BAM! Right? And then we're going to just keep going with this until it's all brown, and then we should be good. Now that our hamburger is all browned and our vegetables are all done, we'll get set up for the next part here. So you get your pan ready here, and you just dump all your hamburger in here. Then you drain your vegetables. You put your vegetables right on top. Then you take your cream of mushroom soup. You put that right on top. And then what we'll do is we'll stir all this together. Then you take your tater tots and put them right on top of that. Now that you have your tater tots on there all nice and even, we'll put it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. And we'll be back when we dish it up. Hello everybody, welcome back. The food is now done, and we're going to dish up and we'll eat some. Yeah, nice big generous scoop. Nice generous scoops. Hello everybody. We're gonna try our tater tot hot dish. It's hot. But I hope you like the video. Smash that like button, subscribe, tell your friends, and if you want me to cook anything else or try something else, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll go try it. I'm willing to try anything. So thank you for watching. I'm Nixixin. And I'm out.
Yeah.